Meanwhile, a big decision has now been taken by the Mumbai civic body, of which a formal announcement is to be made very shortly, where the financial capital, the civic body in Mumbai, has now decided that people will be allowed to test for coronavirus without a prescription. So the civic body says that this measure is being undertaken as it was getting difficult for people to go to doctors and get a prescription amid the pandemic, and that was delaying the process of testing. This new rule now allows an asymptomatic patient to get the COVID test. Mumbai has a testing capacity of 10,000 cases per day, but the actual amount of testing done is far below that limit, and therefore perhaps this new decision is taken to close the gap between capacity and actual testing that's happening on ground. My colleague Sandhya is tracking this story for us. Let me bring in Sandhya to give us more details. Sandhya, the figures that we have indicate that Mumbai has a testing capacity of 10,000, but the actual testing happening per day is somewhere around 5,000. So clearly, we're missing out on maximizing on the testing capacity. Is that the reason why BMC has now decided to allow people to go for testing even without a prescription? Because that should ease out the entire process.
See, Afrida, officially BMC is saying that the step is taken in order to ease down all the guidelines which a Mumbaikar is supposed to follow in order to get himself or herself tested. But we also have to consider that this is happening in the light of a warning which was issued by central government recently, where the government said that how there are many states and union territories which are not utilizing their testing capacities to the fullest, specifically the private labs testing capacities. And the central government warned these states and UTs to use the capacity of the test to its maximum. Mumbai is one of that city, and talking about the capacity, Afrida, you rightly mentioned that how the testing capacity of the city, private and government labs, is actually 10,000 tests per day, but only 5,000 tests are being conducted on a daily basis at present in the city, which means that only 50% of the capacity of the test across the labs in the city is being utilized. That's why BMC has taken this step, and the relevant official order will be issued today by today afternoon, and from then Mumbaikars can approach a private lab for their test despite not having a prescription, because that will not be required anymore. Afrida.
Right. Okay, so the perception was that the testing kits are limited and therefore they must be sparingly used. But quite on the contrary, what Sandhya tells us now is that the testing capacity is much larger than what is being utilized. Thanks for joining us with your inputs on the story. Let's take a short break. News and updates continue in just a bit. Stay with us.